up the edges.
We've got orders.
Barracks is going right here.
Let's get this over with. Let's get to it, fellas. Let's go. Put some big...
Commander, barracks is ready for use.
Location secured. All quiet.
Riflemen ready!
Double time, soldiers. U.S. riflemen here. What do you need? Point out. We're moving to secure a
We're
position.
all ears, sir. Get ready. Stop there for a second.
Riflemen are ready!
Let's move like we got a fresh mags in. Uncle Sam sends his regards.
Cover your fields of fire. Hold for orders. Come on, get the lead out. We're gonna drive into the line and secure that ground.
We're up, boys. Capture and secure that area. Round up the men. All right, let's get that point buttoned up. Say the word, sir. You men, got orders, boys. Follow me.
That's us, boys. Get your gear ready.
Red target secure. Keep that formation tight.
Spread out. Cover your sector. Get ready to jump off. We gotta capture and hold that ground.
Well, let's secure that ground. Ready
We have
for deployment,
riflemen
sir?
taking the field.
Let's get that point buttoned up.
Rifleman reporting, Commander.
Say the word, sir.
Need some recon?
Get on with it! Oh, God, up to it! Secure that position!
Infantry support upgrades are en route.
So be ready. Heading to new coordinates.
You men, the area is ours. Come on, we ain't got all day. Come on,
Anything you
move your
got.
asses! Why? Find cover! Find cover! What do you need?
Ready for duty.
We're up. Let's move out. Jump to it, boy. God damn it, rifles! Shift those asses! Pull in, squad!
We're losing a fuel point.
Relay order! Move your ass! Go! That's a go, boys! All right, men, stand by. Head moving!
Hot damn! We're up! The hell you waiting
on
for?
with it.
Move out!
Commander, we've lost a sector.
What?
Defend our victory point. We're losing it.
Relay orders! All right, boys, fresh mags in.
We're ready
Get
to go,
capture
sir.
orders. All right, let's go. Spread out on that area. and
Infantry support research completed. A victory point has fallen into enemy control.
Let's go, boys! Capture that area. Move!
Be ready!
Make it quick, huh?
Jump to it, boys! Jump to it, boys! Shit! What?
Crates of grenades are on their way to us. One of our munitions points is being neutralized.
Ready for deployment, sir. Pull in, squad!
What have you got? All right, fellas, on me. Keep it orderly.
Fall back!
You name it. Moving out, fellas.
All right, men, stand by. He's dead!
Territory point is no longer under our control.
Another man
Word,
down!
sir. Point out. We're moving to secure a position. You men, get ready.
What's the op? Let's get moving. Stay low. Get to it.
Look sharp, fellas. We're up.
What do you need? Liberating the objective.
A fuel point is being seized by the enemy.
On the road.
You know the drill. Securing location.
We're locked and loaded.
Combat engineers on station.
Look, boys, fresh boots. We're locked and loaded. New recruits in. Rifles reinforced. You men on your feet. Let's go. Get on!
Enemy forces are converging on a fuel point.
Time to put your money where your mouth
What's our target? Looks like Brass wants us to take that crowd zone. We got somewhere to be. Let's head out, boys. Stay together. We gotta get to that
Our line
point.
is collapsing. Enemy taking our points.
Order moving to new destination.
Relay order! Take down that flag! Quickly now! Enemy point needs...
Territory lost.
What's the mission?
Move it! Engineers, hold! Head to the location!
Orders incoming! Move! Get it going!
Get on with it! Flamethrower on the way!
That's it. Point size. On our way. Let's secure that ground.
loaded, eager, and ready.
Ready for deployment, sir. Return fire. Jump to it, boys! Spread out! Spread the hell out!
What now? Germany's
What do you
this
need?
way.
He's got a nice little nest egg here. We're up, boys. Get on! Leave him! We need a motor. Take down that flag!
Come on! What?
Let's go, boys!
We're up!
Keep your distance! Get on that ground! Take it from them!
Orders coming down the... We've got orders to advance.
Boys are waiting. Where the hell did they come from? Relay orders! Let's go! Pull back, god dang it! Cover it!
Quicker than
Pull in,
thought.
squad!
Combat enemy contact! Focus fire!
Listen up. We've got orders. What we want is overdone.
Engine securing enemy resources!
Why?
on the
God
fire.
damn it, rifles! Ship those asses! Keep it together!
Grab your head now!
Get on! Pull back! Pull back!
yes, sir.
Go,
Come
go,
on!
go!
Take a leg.
Boys are waiting. Keep your heads down!
The enemy is stealing our munitions point.
Engineers here!
Give the order, sir.
Don't get distracted! Watch your flanks!
A munitions point is being attacked.
Pull in!
Sector gone. We must take it back.
We got... Get it done, Howard. You!
Cover the rear. We're up, boys. Come on, we ain't got all day. Relay orders!
Damn it! Territory sector claimed by the enemy.
We can't stay here, boys. Come
Hey, you got a job for us?
Gotta be back to
Anti-tank team on the field.
Relay orders! You men on your feet. Let's go. Look, boys. Come on, let's get
You look nice.
What's our crowds are holding ground?
Engineers,
Let's go, boys! Get out of here!
Enemy activity near our munitions point.
What do you need?
MG-42! Heads down! Fall back!
hey, you got a job for us?
Sector lost. No contact.
Locked and loaded. 57 needs orders. Say the word, sir. Let's advance. Grenades! Move!
We're losing a strategic point.
Move back, god dang it! Move! 57 mil on the line! Let's move out. Double time, soldiers. Settle down! We got orders!
What's the word? Forward.
One of our sectors is now in enemy hands.
Taking up new position! We're up. Just came through.
Moving. Medical station.
Get up, stay low, goddammit! Say the word, sir. Finally! We got the word! We're also proud!
The enemy have taken territory from us.
Taking losses! That's it, boys! Fire! Come on, move your asses!
Give the order, sir. What doesn't kill you makes
Boys
you
are waiting.
stronger.
Got orders, boys. Follow me. It's here! Get firing!
Hey, that we're not above a little
That's a go,
season
boys.
old, are we?
57 stolen move!
We got the tools.
Look sharp, fellas. Capture orders, fellas.
Pipe down.
Into crowd.
Orders coming.
we're needed. What do you need? Yeah, we're taking it from
Can't
them.
stand around all day.
Ready for the... Jerry's got a nice little nest egg here. We're locked and loaded. Let's take it.
What's up?
Damn promotions! Pull in,
Enemy
squad!
activity near our munitions point. Weapon crew.
Point is, let's advance. Keep an eye out for Jerry.
Rifle's losing integrity.
Enemy practicing range.
Making us retreat! Back to HQ!
That's us moving to new destination.
Grenade!
You men, get ready.
Rifleman down. No survivors.
Orders come!
We've lost control of a sector. Veteran crews have been made available.
You name it.
A fuel point is being lost.
Everywhere. Let's roll them out, boys.
Commander, you have 5 command points available.
You men, get rifleman, reporting. Say the word. Auto liberating the objective.
Get those
Down there and earn your chow, boy. Liberate that sector. We need it.
All right, fellas, we're falling back.
Grab, get your asses moving.
The sector's been overrun. It's theirs now.
Cover off on his
Lock, liberating the
position.
objective.
At my knees. We're out. Get the hell out of here. Hey, get on it.
Heavy losses! Oh, man! Get the hell out of here!
Rifles
Move out,
reinforced.
now!
Ready for deployment. Keep that.
A munitions point is being attacked.
Automatic rifle has been requisitioned. Fall back. What do you need?
Keep firing. Don't stop.
Where to, so let's move out.
We're up, boys.
AT gun ready.
We've lost the territory sector.
Son of a bitch!
Move.
We
got ours set out. Get your gear ready.
You regret this.
Ready
Pipe
up!
down. Orders are
We're
coming.
moving out, fellas.
Time to earn your back to full strength.
Area's ours.
You come all this way to bitch? Come on.
A strategic point is being claimed.
On our way, sir.
Where are you? Hold on tight. We're heading out.
AT crew standing by.
You men, get. Yeah, we're taking it from 'em.
Engineers here. All ass.
Taking 50 rounds!
They've pushed us off a sector.
Incoming. Enemy point needs to be neutralized.
Get those guns
Hey, time to stretch those legs. Halt!
Orders coming in!
Engineers here.
Get off! Take that damn ground! Taking losses! Ready for... Let's... Jerry's got a nice little neck.
What's up? Secure that point.
Keep at it!
Come on, contact! Infantry across our
Relay
line!
orders! Keep their heads down! Fire!
That's us! Come on! Move your asses! Cheer up, fellas!
Grenade! Oh, goddammit! Get out of here!
Yes,
Fall
sir.
back!
Simmer down!
Don't stop for anything. Howard, stop fucking coughing and fire.
Find cover! Blinking fire! Area secure! God damn it! Contact!
Reverse! No!
Get on with Go. Stick together.
Jump to it! Up to it! Secure that position!
AT crew standing by.
Keep an eye out for
Boys are waiting. Look, boys! Fresh boots!
Preparing for armor production.
Come on, let's get this show on the road.
We've been granted accelerated vehicle production. Seek and destroy tactics available. Vehicle crew.
He's dead!
We must pull this back. We're down to 300 points.
Right up! Spread the hell
Let's
out!
take their sector!
Cover him! Pull back, goddammit! Get on with it! Move your ass! Go! Man
That's
down!
Jerry territory. Well, not for long it ain't.
How exactly are we supposed to...
Good shot, fellas.
What do you need? All right. Jerry's got a nice little nest
Time,
egg
hold
here.
up, man.
Let's take... That's a go, boys! Get out of here! Fall back!
We've been told wherever needed. Holding fast. A fuel point is being seized by the enemy. That's almost enough for us. Get to it.
Get off your ass and fight!
Promotion? Fucking
Say the word, sir.
Stay down!
One of our munitions points is being neutralized.
We've got a bar on the way.
Taking losses!
They've pushed us off a sector.
Come on, go!
Changing cars, but still in contact! Got orders to
Fresh
move!
boat.
Signal the retreat! Stick
Ready for the...
together!
Hang on a second. Boys are waiting. Double time, soldiers. We're up, boys.
I'll take your mags. Just focus
Your
on...
recruits.
The enemy have taken territory from us.
Tank depot complete.
AT crew, lug in the 50.
57 into place. Back us up, driver. Carefully. Back. Little more.
We're locked and loaded.
We're all ears, sir. Reference...
We've lost control of a sector.
Oh, God damn it! Jesus H. Christ! They're breaking! Come on, move your ass! Shit!
AT crew, logging the 57 into place. Get a
Put it
clear
in.
field of fire.
Come on, we ain't got all day. We're up, boys.
Where are you heading to new coordinates?
Greases, flies up, helmets on. We're going. New guys up, front and center.
We're locked and loaded. Contact, let's move out.
You name it.
Jump to it, boys.
Engineers standing by.
Crowd's got us pegged.
Enemy crew standing
away.
by.
Orders coming down. Crowds are holding ground we need to take. Let's go.
Pull in, squad. Let's go, boys.
Hey, you got a job for us?
We're eating dirt over here.
Back to HQ.
We're
Disengage.
pinned down. Fall back.
We've been
Fall
told
back.
where we get a
Go,
clear
go,
field of
go.
fire.
Let's advance to new position.
Sir, stop right there!
Get on with it.
Can't stand around all day. Move forward.
Engineers standing by.
Get those guns ready. Shoulder those guns. Good to go.
Let's go, boys.
Hot damn!
Relay orders. Hold back. Crowd infantry.
Stalin!
All right, men. Stand by.
Let's head out!
Ugh. I'm hit bad.
Starting radio intercept!
Grenade. Jump to it, boys. Move. Watch it.
Command points should be spent when possible.
Keep alert. Germans might probe the area to see if we're
Looks
still
like
here.
we coordinates marked.
Let's go!
Greases.
A victory point is under attack. We must act.
Fire in reverse!
Weapon crew, that zone looks good enough for us. Get to it.
Back us up!
AT crew standing by.
They've taken our victory point.
Ready to go.
What's our target? Capturing territory!
Sausage
Ready
side!
for deployment, sir. Keep that formation.
Territory lost.
AT crew standing by.
Grab your kit. Take that sector. Secure it.
Orders incoming.
God damn it. What now?
Say the words, sir.
That's us, boys.
Combat engineers. Take that point. Push them out.
Get those guns ready.
Enemy infantry.
on,
Close it in.
Stop German tank, finished and ready.
Engine grenade! Engineers, get moving. Fall back. Break
Get ready to
contact.
kick some ass, boys.
Give us something to do. All right, let's move.
Listen up. We've got orders.
Make it quick. We're not above a little season hold, are we?
We're locked and loaded. Yeah.
We've got it! Territory, this is a fucking shit show!
Boys,
Come on!
you ain't got all day. Stop, boys.
We're losing a territory point. Enemy contact.
Secure that position.
57 needs orders. Let's resupply. We're ready to
Pull
go.
in, squad. Enemy point needs to be neutralized. Come on, come on. What?
Engineers here.
We're MG-42. Keep moving. Rifle's losing integrity.
Shed? Okay, let's crank her up!
Sector lost. No contact.
Down over here. That's a go, boys.
We can distribute grenades to the front line, men.
Why? Keep up your pace of fire. God damn it, rifles, shift those asses. Stand down.
Straight on! Straight on! Right on, boys! Don't stop!
Weapon crew. Here
What do you need? On your feet. Get out of here.
Let's get to it, fellas. We gotta get...
Inform! German on the move! Let's go! Keep her steady! Armor! Let's dance! Grind those gears! Come on!
Commander, we have a large amount of command points available.
Yeah, we're rifles losing integrity.
Crowds are pushing us back. We're down to 250.
Orders coming! Get your ass in
We're
gear!
all ears, sir.
Those sons of bitches are...
The enemy is stealing our munitions point.
Don't hesitate! Fly!
Throw it now.
AT crew, let's break them
Ready
down
for
and move.
liberating the objective.
That's it, driver! No breathing room!
Break out the repair.
Hear us, fellas! Break contact!
Taking losses. Move your ass. Go. Relay orders. Pull back, guys.
lost a territory sector.
We're up, boys.
Listen up. That's some much-needed cover, fellas.
Sherman Easy 8s have been requisitioned. They're standing by.
All right, men, stand by. Move! Watch your flanks!
What's the word? All right, let's move out. Keep it tight.
Ready for deployment, sir.
Squad is back to full strength.
What's our target?
57 needs orders.
We've been given a purpose,
So much for
boys.
peace and quiet.
Now, let's get this baby
Hey, you got
burned.
him patched up.
Why?
Hair's
Give us something to do. Hold in here.
Jax! Get out of here! Fall back!
Enemy movement near a victory point.
AT crew standing by.
We've lost a squad of riflemen at the front.
Well, our
Listen up. We got orders. Get us in there.
They've captured a victory point.
Dead stop. Back up. Back up. Back up. Give us some distance, goddammit. Give us some distance, goddammit. Reverse.
Stop, damn it! What now?
Rifleman squad deployed.
All right, men, stand by. Commander.
Orders, capture orders, fellas. We're headed into crowd territory.
57 needs
We have
orders.
territory under attack.
Son of a bitch must pay! Get the order, sir. Priority move!
Orders
Go!
incoming! I'm hit!
Copy! We up and out!
out of
Grab my
here!
news! We're up!
Say the words, sir. Let's move out.
We got the tools.
That's a go, boys!
What now? Coordinates marked.
What do you need?
Sector gone. We must take it back.
Keep an enemy contact. Where's he at? It's gotta be quick. He's got to see me.
You boys are here! Ready up!
Told wherever needed.
So, we on for craps tonight? I'm running low on smokes and chocolate. You men, get ready.
Recruits are on the
We're
line.
locked and loaded. Boys await. Come on, move your asses!
Engineers
Sherman
standing by.
reporting.
Release! Get moving! Find cover! Shut your cake hole and listen up. Move, move, move!
Weapon crew.
Bar has
You're with me.
arrived. Thanks.
What's the
That's
hold
the
up?
one we
Let's
want is
go.
over yonder.
Can't stand around all day.
Get up! Take down that flag! Quickly
We're
now!
locked
and loaded. We're up, boys. Jerry's got a nice little nest egg here.
New guys
Let's
up
take
front
it.
and center. All right, come on.
Give us something to do.
Heavy MG, spread out!
That's more like it. Sherman Easy 8 reporting in.
Fall back!
Info, give us some distance, goddammit.
One of our strategic points is under attack.
What now?
Leave him! All in! Squall, goddammit!
One of our sectors is now in enemy hands.
Get ready to kick some. Log in the 57 into
A munitions point is being attacked.
Sir, yes, sir.
Boys are on our way, sir. On firing.
Look sharp, fellas. Capturing territory!
What do you need?
Grab cover!
Rev up that engine, boys. We're moving.
You men,
Get on that
ready.
ship.
He's gone! Leave
All right,
him!
you go, talk and go. Jerry's got a nice little
Ready
nest
to go!
egg here.
Heads down!
Let's take
Move
it.
back!
Find cover! Find cover! Why?
We have a surplus of command points.
Hey, break it up!
We have vehicles ready to be dispatched to the front. 200 points remaining on our front line.
Get ready. Liberating the objective.
Hey, you got a job?
Sherman here. Pull up. Pull up. Back up. Back up. Back up. Tag. AP. Reverse. Grind those gears.
Word, sir. We're up, boys. Capture and secure that area.
Order. Give us some distance, goddammit.
Yeah, we'll fix her up. Good as new.
AT crew standing by. Guns, move out.
Stay together.
What have you got?
Ready for deployment, sir. Jerry's got a nice little nest egg here.
Sure. Keep your spacing. Don't.
We're locked and loaded.
Fighting.
I'm hit, man! Boys away. Let's secure that ground. Point capture fire! Boy, oh boy, is Jerry pissed about it. What do you need? Hold it! Hold on! He's dead! We're eating dirt over here!
57 needs order. Moving out.
Sherman reporting.
That's a good game. Move complete. Target secured. Get out of here. Fall back.
Engineers here.
What's the word? Move forward.
Tools down.
We got somewhere to be.
You men, get ready.
AT crew standing by.
Once we capture that
All right,
point,
men, stand
be
by.
ready for any counterattack.
Ready for deployments? Yeah, we're taking it. Crowd's got us
Move
pegged.
now. Hard stick.
Rifle's losing integrity.
Mount up. Move out.
Hit him with grenades. Pull back, goddammit. Move.
Rifleman down. No survivors.
To orders. Let's go. Sherman here. Prioritize crowd armor.
Get those guns ready.
Heads up. We got the all clear.
Let's get to it.
Time to earn your pen. Move in and set up fields of fire.
Say the word, sir. Liberating the objective. New recruits.
We're
in.
losing a fuel
Rifles
point.
Reinforced.
Snap to. Back up.
Territory is falling into enemy hands.
Give us some distance, goddammit!
AT crew standing by.
We'll fix it, Rob. Prisoners.
Got the word pushing. Easy 8 on the move.
Hey, that's us, fellas.
We're locked and loaded. Gary's got a nice little nest egg.
Territory point is no longer under our control.
Sir, let's advance.
That's an affirmative. Advance! Ground infantry!
Commander, we've lost a sector.
Looks like Brass wants us to take that crowd zone.
Give us something to do. Pull it back. Steady.
What's our target? We've got orders to...
Heads up. We got the all
Jump
clear.
cover! Dang it! Find cover! All right, let's move like we got a purpose.
Try! More gas. Open it up.
We're up, boys. Sunset these! Pay attention!
Sherman 105 is reporting in.
Capture that area! Move! Hold on, complete! Taking losses! Fall back!
Right in the back up. Back up. Back up.
You men, double time, soldiers!
Order. Reverse.
Listen up. We've got orders. Let's head out, boys. Stay together.
Get those guns ready. Orders.
CO felt we needed something to do. Let's get where we're going.
We're up, fellas.
What do you need? All right, boys. Advance. Let's go, boys!
First rate. Easy 8.
Jump to it, boys!
Easy as can be.
All right, men! Right up, Panzer! Come on, move your asses!
We have command points that need allocating.
Someone get us out of here! 57 mil! Taking up new position! Find cover! Get on! God, get out of here! Fall
Sherman
back!
reporting. Pull over.
Hey, you got all that.
Get going!
Finally.
Pull in,
Got-
squad!
okay, let's
Those
crank
bastards ain't... They're saying hi, boys!
Driver, stop here.
The enemy is stealing our munitions point.
Retreat! Back to HQ!
We're all here. Take
Got the pace! Well, give us some distance, goddammit! Back up! Back up! Back up!
We gotta pull back!
Easy 8!
Enemy activity near our munitions point.
Listen up, we got orders!
Ready for duty. Envelop and hold.
Relay orders!
Let's get where we're going!
Yes!
Keep your finger to a stop!
The sector's been overrun. It's theirs now.
Now orders are
Let's
orders!
go, boys!
Let's grind those gears! Pull up! Pull up! Give us some distance, goddammit! Back up! Back up! Back up!
Be quick, huh? Get everybody outside. Let's go. Liberate that sector.
Our objective's
Get
clear!
on with it!
Orders coming down the pipe.
That's it! One side!
Aren't we a sight for sore eyes? Break out the
Ready for
back.
deployment. Let's liberating the objective.
What's the mission?
Ready for deployment. On your feet. Let's go.
What needs clearing? We need to park it over there, man.
Be ready.
Look alive, boys. Rev up that engine, boys. We're moving. Driver, stop here.
Buzzsaw's got us in. Fall back!
Reports of enemy movement near our victory point.
Come to it, boys! Pull it! Move! Watch your flanks!
Sir. Yes, sir.
We need to use our command points.
Crowd infantry!
Vehicle crews have been granted the means to repair in the field. A victory point is under attack. We must act.
We got orders.
All right, let's move out.
Orders coming.
Bring her to a stop!
We're locked in.
Victory point is under enemy control now.
Back up! Back up! Back up! That's an AT! We ain't vulnerable, boys!
We're up, boys.
It's gotta be. It's fall back.
Boys.
Let's get moving!
Jay, move!
Pull back, goddammit! Move! What do you need? Come on. We ain't
We
got
got the
all day.
tools. We'll fix her up. Good as new.
Ned, let's get where we're going! Reverse here! Driver, a little breathing room!
All crews, repair and refit at
Good,
once.
sir. Inside, hurry. You men, get ready. Double time, soldiers.
Greases,
Pull it
stand
back,
to.
steady!
Quit lagging
Get in,
behind.
dozer!
We're losing our capture point.
We've got our mission. Yeah, let's reverse! Grind those gears! Give us some distance, goddammit!
Break out the repair kit.
Reverse! Grind those gears!
Hellcat has been completed.
All right, let's move
Boys,
out.
wait.
We have 100 points remaining.
That's reverse here!
You men, get ready.
Damn it! Territory sector claimed by the enemy.
Look alive, boys. Keep your spacing. Don't bunch up. Okay, let's crank her up.
What do you need? Capture and secure that area.
Commander, we've lost a sector.
Anything else for
What
us?
needs clearing?
We got the tools.
Good word, sir. Come on, let's get this show
Our
on the road.
objective's clear.
Get on it, fellas. He's dead.
Give us something to
There
do.
it is on.
Loaded. Keep a lookout.
Give it a purpose,
We're
boys.
up, boys. On our way, sir. Relay orders.
Engineers on the field.
Fall back. Fall back. Go.
Push up. Take it.
Pull in, squad.
Give us some distance, goddammit! Right and back up, back up, back
We're
up!
locked. All right, boys. Vans, stay alert.
Give us some distance, goddammit! Dead stop!
Only 75 points left for us. Here we go.
Hey, you gotta jump
Okay,
there
let's
and
crank
grab
her
it.
up.
Let's liberate that sector.
What? Get on that point.
Got rev up, pull it back, steady!
Engineers here.
Velocity fire!
Ready for deployment.
Engineers here. Earning the big bucks now. Make a decision. Back to HQ.
Head down. Loud and clear. They got us pinned down over here.
Back up, back up, back up! Give us some distance, goddammit! Get us out of here!
We're eating dirt over here. They got us pinned down over here.
Listen up, reverse! That driver, a little breathing room! Break out the repair kit.
Boys away. All right, let's move like we got a
CO, Bill, let's get this baby purring! Sherman on point!
Give the orders, sir.
Let's go! Reverse! Grind those gears!
That's a go.
Enemy forces are converging on a fuel point.
Goddammit!
Get on with it. Oh, goddammit.
You need a dose driver, a little breathing room! Just a ricochet!
All crews, repair and refit at once.
Back up, back up, back up! Reverse! Grind those gears! Tank destroyer, loud and clear!
Come on, marching time. Your favorite.
All right, man. Let's go, boys.
Time to get to work!
What do you need? Where the hell did they come from? Let's go, boys. Let's go, boys. Secure that position. Drop 42. Toss them a pineapple. Concentrate on your own goddamn target. Come on, move your ass. Enemy point needs to be
Get
neutralized.
the wounded out of there. Down to only 50 points.
I'm doing. Secure that
Objective's
Break
clear!
out the repair kit.
It was getting him. All right, let's move out.
Pull in. Shut your cake hole and listen up.
Give us something to do!
We got the tools. Engineers standing by.
Cover him.
Greases.
Enemy tank is cutting us up. Why, fuckers? Keep coming. Spread out on that area and hold it. Get on with it. All right, mate. Come on. I'm hit bad.
Look alive, boys!
I
Let's get
captured it. Boy, oh boy.
Hold it here.
Jerry pissed
Tank
about it.
destroyer, loud and clear!
a bit too quiet.
Enemy movement near a victory point.
Sherman 105 in the hot zone! Tank destroyer, loud and clear! Come on! Give us some distance, goddammit! We need to park it over.
One of our munitions points is being neutralized.
Keep coming!
Engineers, get on that crowd.
Heads up! God damn it, I don't see shit! Behind us! Infantry!
One of our sectors is now in enemy hands.
Open up! Now orders are on. That's it! Cut right through them! Pull it back! Steady!
Boys are waiting. New recruits in. Rifles reinforced.
Enemy territory.
First
Check for
rate
cover.
The order, sir.
Assemble on me.
Cover! Been giving up. Let's get this baby purring.
What's up? Engineer, we'll fix her up.
That's
What
it.
is-
Back up! Back up! Back up! Give us some distance, goddammit!
We've lost an easy 8.
Rear engine securing under fire.
We're locked in. All right. Let's move like we got a purpose. Well,
We're up, fellas.
Tank destroyer, loud
ready
and
for
clear.
deployments. Liberating the objective.
What needs clearing?
Shithole now. Very snapping.
Target secured.
Let's go. Up to it. Secure that
Cover
position.
off on his position.
What? Take that damn ground. Don't do it, boys. Grenade out.
Got the word from the incendiary.
Pull in, squad.
No reason to run.
Medic. I need a medic.
The enemy is moving on our strategic point.
Stand to.
Up to it, ladies.
Relay orders. Move, move, move.
Our Sherman 105 isn't responding.
42 is toast. Spread out. Spread the hell out.
Boys, we're up.
The sector's been overrun. It's theirs now.
Point captured. That's a good. Keep moving. Move your ass. Go. Move. Watch your flag.
Engineers,
Securing the
We're going out.
We're moving to secure position.
Reports of enemy movement near our victory point.
Move, move, move. Take down that flag.
Quickly now.
Boys are waiting. On our way, sir.
get to cover. Location secure. Fall back.
Victory point now under enemy control.
Our objective's clear. Okay, let's
Cover his position.
All right, men. Stand by. Get to it. Get out of here.
Fall back.
Rifle's losing integrity. He's dead. We're pinned down. We're eating dirt over here. Get set to redeploy.
Plugging the 57 into place.
Engineers here. Prep the M1.
Start digging.
Hey, that's us, fellas. Earn your chow, boys.
We got the tools. Flies up, helmets on. We're going. Look at all these fresh faces. Get on with it! Mine's finished. Displace!
CO,
Combat engineer, move it!
Time to earn your pay.
Grab your kit, go!
Rifles reinforced.
Get ready to kick some ass, boys. Shoulder those guns.
Get ready.
To go.
Outside. Stick close and watch for
M4A1 Sherman deploying.
Let's advance.
Tank on the field. Requisition to 50.
Hey, you got a job for us?
M18 reporting.
Kids, let's get moving. Stay low.
Well,
Defend our victory point. We're losing it.
Time to get to work.
Engineers, take an enemy fire!
Up to it, ladies!
Fuck, we're losing numbers! Make a decision!
Find cover.
Taking
Bring it to a
losses.
stop.
Engineers,
What do you
standing
need?
by.
Come on, let's get this show on the
Sir, yes, sir!
Fall back!
The enemy is stealing our munitions point.
Pull over. Cook that goddamn
Keep
ground.
on, come up and
Keeper standing by. Come on,
Let's get your asses!
Victory point is under enemy control now.
Coming!
That's in a armor. Engage.
We're up, fellas!
Hell's teeth. What is
Another man down!
Initiating seek and destroy. Give them hell, boys. Territory point is no longer under our control. Sherman tank destroyed.
Back up! Back up! Back up!
Engineers here!
Jump to it, boys!
What?
Keep moving!
Hellcat! Tank crew's veteran!
God damn it, rifles! Ship those
Goddamn
asses!
tank!
Move! Watch your flanks! Get on with it! Man down!
Reese's, stand to. New guys up.
And straight on!
All right, men, move, goddammit! Jump to it, boys! Crowd infantry! That's a go, boys!
Hell, pull up! Pull up!
Son of a bitch! Fucking good hit! AT gun down!
Hell's
Hold it,
big!
move
Where
your
is
ass,
it?
guys!
All right,
We've taken them down to 300 points, Commander.
give us some distance, goddammit!
Why? Move! Watch your grenade! Shit!
Head to the location.
First here!
Commander, we're losing territory.
Snap! Back up! Back up! Back up!
Weapon group, back it up. Moving.
All right, men, stand up! Pull back, god dang it! Move!
Looks like we got time to stretch those legs.
Engineers, Jerry's napping.
57 needs orders.
Go! Stick together!
Say the words, sir.
Sector gone. We must take it back.
Tank destroyer, loud and clear! Hit them out, incoming!
The ability is ready for use.
Combat engineers!
Pull in! Come on, move your asses!
Concentrate fire! Fuck me! They're taking pot shots at us!
Stop Sherman tank, finished and ready.
Engaging frontline elements!
Grenade!
Head to the location! Pick up that enemy! Retreat!
Spread
Back
out!
to HQ!
Spread the hell out! I'm
Say
heading
the
back!
words, sir.
Yeah, we're taking it from them.
CO, reverse here!
Reese's, stand to. Quit lagging behind.
That's a move your ass! Go! Hold it on him! Get on with it! Jump to it, boys! Grenade!
What's the word? Move forward.
Enemy territory.
I'm jammed!
Cover as we secure.
Cover him!
They'll never see us coming.
57 needs orders.
M8 driver, stop here! Reverse! Grind those
We've dropped the enemy to 250 points.
Got our dead
Ready to go.
stop!
Pipe down, liberate.
Enemy tank! We need support!
AT gun ready!
Come on! We're locked and got orders, boys.
Engineers here.
Come on, we ain't got all day. Boys are waiting. You men, let's move out. Tank! Think they know we're here.
M8, give us a point! On point! Bring her to a
AT gun ready!
Damn MG! He's in range!
We just got promoted.
M4!
Relay orders!
Reports of enemy movement near our victory point.
Open wide, fuckers! Pull back! Pull back! Grenade!
God damn it! What now? Back to HQ!
Now, earn your
Disengage!
chow.
Ready for deployment, sir. All right, let's
Flag
go.
down! Incoming order! Break it down.
Got
We
the
gotta
word,
move.
pull it back, check driver, a little breathing room!
Hey, you got a
On
job
our way,
for us?
sir. We're up, boys. Keep that formation tight.
Get those guns ready. Orders just
What have you
came
got?
in.
All right, fellas, on me. Keep it orderly. Forward now.
A fuel point is being lost.
Sherman reporting. Time to get to work.
Orders coming!
Pull it! Go, boys! Hold on!
Pin down over here!
Get moving! Tank! Clear on route!
Orders will give us some distance, goddammit!
Oh, goddammit!
What's the word?
We're locked. On your feet. Let's go. Double time.
Thanks, now pull it back, steady!
Engineers standing by. Break out the repair.
Clearing yourself. Ready for deployment, sir. We've got a blower
Weapon
on the
group.
way.
What have you got? Let's get moving. Stay low.
Got the word from the
Words,
tank. Purpose,
sir.
boys.
All right, boys. Advance and stay alert. Listen up. Come on, let's get this show on. Stop right there.
Stuff. Looks like we got a mission. All right, let's move out. Keep it tight. Point man.
All right, Panther! Displace flank cover!
Sherman reporting. That's an affirmative.
Let's go, boys!
They have 200 points remaining.
So much for piecing it
Right,
out.
right, destroyer. Loud and clear. Keep your space. Don't bunch up. German here!
Weapon group! Let's get ready, boys! Oh, God damn it!
Listen up.
Jump to it, boys!
Promotion!
Motion's in!
A Sherman ET-8 has arrived! Give them hell!
Stand by!
Territory is being contested!
Back up! Back up! Back up! 50 cows in!
That did 'em! They're all gunned down! AT guns ready! Get on with it! Get out of here! Fall back!
Listen up! We got orders! Schiller, hold! Stay focused! Mount up! Move out! Straight on! Straight on! Flanking fire! Flanking fire! Oh, we're there! Sherman rolling!
Relay orders!
Order can... Let's go! Keep her steady!
Reload!
Sherman, get us in there! MG's got nothing better to shoot! Mount up! Move out! Sherman here! Oh, we're there! Sherman rolling! Eyes on!
Grenades out! Say the word. There's gonna...
AP!
Round 42 just bought the bar!
Grind those gears!
Hold it! Spread out on that area and hold it!
We have vehicles ready to be dispatched to the front.
On our way, sir.
Loaded, let's go. Keep that's Jerry territory.
Orders are
Boys,
orders!
all right, boys.
Let's go!
Advance and stay alert. Keep that formation tight. Move, move, son of a bitch!
Need a 76?
That's a
We've lost a territory sector.
Look alive, boys! Rev up that engine, boys! We're moving! Our objective's clear! We've got... All over!
Leave him! Fire on him! Grenade! Move!
Easy in the bars! Back up! Back up! Give us some distance, goddammit!
Get on with rifles losing integrity!
Disengage!
These fuckers keep
Easy 8! Give us some distance, goddammit!
Pull back, goddang it! Move!
We'll fix her up. Good as new.
Time to get to work, crew! Get this tin can moving!
We're locked in liberating the objective.
57 needs orders.
You men, let's advance. We're up. Double time, soldiers.
We
Look,
got
boys.
the tools.
Ready for deployment, sir.
Sherman reporting! Get this tin can moving! Hold in here! M18 reporting!
AT crew standing by.
Getting a bit too quiet.
Need a 76? Look alive, boy!
What do you need? All right, get that point buttoned up. What?
Reverse here! Orders, loud and clear!
Enemy is losing their grasp. They're down to 100 points.
Boys are waiting. On your feet. Let's go.
Make it quick, huh?
Hey, you got a job for us?
All right, let's move like we got a purpose.
Good as new.
Say the words. Come on, let's get this show on the road.
What now? Germany's this way. Someone get on that heavy MG. Gather your kit. We're moving back to CP.
What do you need?
Defend our victory point. We're losing it. Last stretch now. Germans down to 75 points.
Attack! Fire! Jump to it, boys! Grenade out! All right, men, stand by!
They've captured a victory point.
Move! Move! Move!
Who got us right? Reverse! Grind those gears!
All right, men, stand by!
Yeah, give us some
Ready for
distance,
deployment.
goddammit!
Why? Fine.
Repairs complete.
Gunner, wait!
Grenade!
MG, we're...
Enemy down to 50 points. Force their retreat.
Move! Watch your flanks!
Heads up, we got the all clear!
Pay attention!
Get! Grab your kit! Go!
M4, one in reverse!
Grenade! God damn it, rifles! Skip those asses!
Snap to, we
Engine
got
go!
the word!
Stick together!
Fuck! Anti-tank! AP!
Relay! Move, goddammit!
Repair!
We're locked and locked. Let's move out.
We're losing a fuel point.
Hold it in! Engineers, get moving!
Pull in and moving!
One of our munitions points is being neutralized.
What?
Back up!
Commander, you better pull your thumb out of your ass right
We're
now!
losing armor. German gone.
Go, boys! Let's go! Come on! Move your asses!
What's up?
Head down!
Make a decision! Retreat!
Enemy movement near a victory point.
God damn it! He's dead! Enemy point needs to be neutralized!
25 points.
Right on! 50 cal on the way!
Jump to it, boys! Under fire! Small Let's hold back, goddanggit! Move! Get it going! Cover him! Get out of here! Fall back!
Okay, let's crank her up! Tank destroyer,
We
loud
got
and clear!
tools. Flies up, helmets on. We're going.
We've got him. Enemy down to 10 points.
Double time, soldiers! You men, get ready!
Stop! Stop! Back up! Back up! Back up! Reverse! Find those
A munitions point is being attacked.
If you enjoyed this gameplay and first look at the beta, make sure to like and subscribe, as I'm going to be bringing videos for practically every single nation and trying to do all of the battle groups in the coming days. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a good day.